totally do that, Tiff. That'd be so fun. It would be my honor. My honor. I would be honored, I mean. Is that the right way to say it? It would be my honor. My gosh, I love the lighting. I have the window open right here in front of me, and I wish it was brighter, but the sun is on a weird part of the house right now. But yeah, I gotta take her to it. It's like a little festival, huh, Violet? Because I saw a Ferris wheel. I like restarting the live. It makes me annoyed. All right, here we go. Oh, really, Tiff? I have two trash bins at home. I have my sweetheart get me 2 trash bins because I would fill up everything. So yeah, we have 2 trash bins. I'll let you know if any item. Okay. Sorry, I'm just reading the Instacart guy. Oh, that's smart. Oh, so you're really close. You're really close to where I am, Violet. Hi, Meg. Hello, sugar.
Oh my gosh, this one. I didn't even see it.
That would be so cool to meet Tiff, because I met one person that like watched Clean Talk, but I haven't met a Clean Talker in person. It smells so good, you guys. You know what, guys? I hate that that we can't show our products anymore. That's so annoying. Because it was so easy to just show. Yes, Tiff. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We gotta make it happen. Hi, Rare Jim. Good morning, Texas. Good morning, sweetheart. Really, guys, let me know if it does it for me. Because I've seen that happen in people's lives. Ooh, a Clean Talk convention. Yeah, let me know if it happens, guys, and then I'll restart if that happens. That's annoying. Okay, let's put some more powder in. Yeah, it's weird. That's why I was like, It's very annoying. No. Sorry, guys. That's the panic button. That's my buddy. Oh, clump. That's my buddy. How have you been, sir? Ooh. No. Okay. How exciting. China, where have you been? Hi, Alex. Oh, sure. I'll let you know, Stace. Okay, how about I could call it out, Stacy? I have 3 more of the Lirio powders that are 3. I have Visa. Visa's in here? What you mean, Leanne? That's so awesome. Congratulations, Ricky. I have 2 of the Romas for 2. I have 2 of the 1, 2, 3 powders. I have 1 Pinole. I have 1 Ariel. Oh, it's exciting. Hi, China. Happy holidays, sweetie. And then I have baking sodas. I have 9 baking sodas for 2. Thank you, Suds Princess. Thank you for the hearty. I haven't seen her. I haven't seen her, Leanne. And then I have quite a bit of liquids because I have the liquids that I have here and I have liquids in my car too. Murray Crema, China, Murray Crema. Oh, I'm sorry, Stacy. I have 3 of the Lirios, 1 Pinole, 2 of the small Romas, 1 Ariel, and 2 of the 1, 2, 3 powders. Thank you, Jackie. Thank you, thank you. Oh, guys, this might fill up. You think it'll fill up, overflow, or do you think it'll get thick? Oh, well, thank you. I was practicing, China, you know. I was practicing. I was practicing. Let's put some more powder in here. Hi, Spaghetti Ghost. Hello, hello. Guys, I'm so happy you guys are here. Thank you. Thank you for the Harveys. Oh, yeah, Hella. She knows what's good. With that lip bite. Okay, let me open some more powders. Okay, and then, Stacy, I have 2 pine pin speckles. Uh-oh, they're falling. They're falling. No, please no. There we go. Okay. Okay. California. Sunny, I'm in California. I'm in Riverside, California today. Thank you, Stacy. Let me grab. There's my Ari. Thank you, Marcel. Thank you, Stacy. Let me grab your powder. Okay. Alicia's here, everybody. Thank you, Blondie. I always forget about using government names. Gilsey! Gilsey, I brought your sponge with me to California. It's right here, Gilsey. Oh, no, it's today. I'll be leaving tomorrow. Hi, Roly Poly Coolie. I missed you too. Hi, Rye. Good morning. Ooh, this smells good. Love you too. Sweet friends. I brought one of the round sponges that are both. Thank you, Meg. This smells good. Murray Crema. Gilsey, Murray Crema. Ooh, that was nice. That was nice. Thank you, Gills. Thank you, Layla. So cute. So cute. This is all laundry, Sunny, but we have cans on the way. I didn't even get cans, but we ordered cans and they're on the way. And the puzzle is here. Thank you so much, Meg. That was super cute. Let me do my puzzle real quick so I don't lose you guys. Thank you, Kelly. Foam, guys. Foam. Let's put them close so then maybe they won't tip. Okay. Lirio. Yes, ma'am, we have cans. Hi, C. Yeah, I could save some before we add cans. Or we could just do the cans with the other. I have a 5-gallon of soap, a different 5-gallon of green soap that we're gonna do. This is our first one, this though, because I could find some good stuff here. With the 5-gallon green, 5-gallon green bucket. No, no, darling. Yeah, Texas has pop. They're lucky. They're lucky. My favorite new product of this stuff, I think I really like the smell of the Lirio. I always love Charisma, and I can't find Charisma in Arizona at all, so it makes me super excited. That's why I kind of bought a lot of it. Charisma smells so good. Lest oil, have you guys noticed that the price of Lest oil is going up? Like at Home Depot? It's like $1 more now than it was. I think I did, Coley. I'm gonna have to go back and I'm gonna post it just in case anybody else missed it. I'm gonna post it. I love the cute gifts. Thank you, Coley. Sorry, I was probably getting the comment, or I was probably looking away. I'm so sorry. This is a 5-gallon thing of dish soap and laundry detergents and laundry powder. Oh, yeah, I'll definitely have to post it, just in case anybody else missed it. Alrighty. Okay, we want ample amounts of powder in, right, guys? Let's put a big amount in. I keep saying that, and then I just put like 2 bags. Let's put a big amount in so we can get it thicker. Okay, here we go. Oh, let's get that one down. Hopefully, I glanced at the green one, the green container. No, this is a sink, honey. This is a sink. It's not my sink. I'm at an Airbnb in California, but it's a sink. It doesn't look like a sink. Yeah, it's a sink. Watch, watch, watch. I'll show you. Watch, watch, watch. Sink. It's just really big. Just really big sink. No, not my sink. Not my sink. It's a rented sink. Okay. Yeah, it's on tote. Sorry.